Hello, in this video I will talk about how to write objects into binary files, how to write objects and how to read them. If you remember last time, we created an object output stream for the binary file, so in this way, and we put some integers by saying write integer in this binary file, and then we close it, and also we read them. So we created input stream, object input stream for the binary file, and then we read the numbers, integers, by using a while loop, and then we just display them on the screen. So now let me just delete them. So we will not write integers, but we will put objects. Also, let me just delete this part. Okay, so here we will write and here we will read. So let's have a person class. Okay, so here I right click class and let me name this person. Finish. Okay, I should just let me delete this. Let me put this here. Okay. Let me just delete this. Okay, so I put all of them in default package. So this one and person. So in order to write objects into the binary file, this class must implement, so implements, okay, serializable. Okay, serializable. So here in this person class, let's say just two instance variable. So let me say private string name, private integer h. Okay, let me just have parameterized constructors source. So you cannot see it, but okay. So anyway, so you cannot see it, but in here source generate constructors using fields. Okay, name h. Okay, yes, we have this, and now let's have setters and getters. Actually, will I need this? Okay, just to keep it simple, let me skip getters and setters for this one. So we have person class. Let's go back to main method. So here I will have a person. Okay, so person, let me say p1 and new person. Okay, so name, let me say John. H, let me say 20. Okay, so we have a person. Let's put this in the file. So I will say okay, actually let me go back to person class and let me write the toString method, override the toString method of the object class. And so here I will say public, and let's return string to string, and this return let me say name is whatever the name is. Okay, and then h. Okay, h. Okay, so let's return this. So here I will put this person in the f out. Remember when we put when we write integer, we said write integer. Okay, so here I will say write object, and which object it is? It is p1. Okay, So we put P1 and then we close it, and then we open it by using fin. And let me just get the P1. Okay, so here I will say person, let me just say P2. Okay, um, okay, so we read this from the file. So I will say fin, okay, fin read object. So let's look at this read object. So what does it return? It returns object. Okay, so this returns object, so we need to typecast it to person. Okay, so we typecast it to person. Okay, what does it say? Unhandled exception, class not found exception. So let's put this surround. Okay, so class not found exception. Okay, what else? Okay, after we get this P2, let's display it. System out print line, and let me just say P2. Okay, and now let's see how this works. Okay, it worked. So we created a person and then we put that in the file. Actually, you could write some more. So let me say P2 person Patricia 45. Okay, so here P2. Actually, this P2 and this P2 are different because this is declared inside of this try, so it is local to this try block, and this one is local to this try block. So here, let me just do this. Not P2. Let me say P3. Okay, and when we display, let me just display them here \n P3. Okay, so here let me just run it. Okay, file cannot open. Okay, so here read object. Okay, so let me just do this if out write object. Okay, so the problem is I created the P2 but I have not put that in the file. So write object P2 and then this. Okay, so now let me run it. Okay, it worked. Name John, name Patricia. So we put two objects and we read two objects, and don't forget to typecast because this returns object, not the person. So you have to typecast it to here and then we display the information. I hope this is clear to everybody. Have a nice day.